As a real estate broker, I'm always interested in what homes are selling for, and I have one for you today that I think you're going to love. It's priced at $1,650,000, and it includes absolutely everything you would expect to find in a custom-built luxury home. A couple of things I want to point out, and I want you to keep an eye out for this as you watch this video. Obviously, the kitchen stands apart from any other kitchen I've ever seen. It really is fantastic, and if you're a chef, it will make you appreciate that. If you're not a chef, it might even turn you into one. But the things that really stand out to me most about this home aren't just the incredible interior, it's the exterior. In Colorado Springs, we have 300 days of sunshine a year, and the people who built this home really wanted to maximize that. So they positioned the home on the lot to maximize their views. They put almost 1,000 square feet of wraparound deck and porch on this home. There's 1,000 square foot patio. There's a low maintenance landscape so you can enjoy Colorado instead of just working on your yard. And there's a swim spa. So if you want to swim laps in the sunshine, or if you just want to sit out there in the hot tub and take in the views, you can do that as well. This really is a remarkable home, and I would encourage you to check it out. If you have more questions, please let me know. I'll drop my contact information down below in the description. And thanks for watching. Enjoy the tour.